Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys some things that I'm going to be listing on Poshmark right now, some things that I think will sell during this particular time. Some things are common, some things are kind of thinking out of the box a little bit, but I just wanted to share these with you. Before we get started on the video, I did want to make an announcement. If you are looking for inventory, or if you are someone who has a surplus of inventory that you would like to sell, if you are selling mystery boxes, if you are selling any sort of lots in your Poshmark closet, maybe you're doing like 5 for $25 or something like that, I have created a Facebook group. It's called Poshboss HQ D-Stash. I will link it in the description box and in the comments, but I basically wanted to create a place where the people who are needing to buy inventory right now could connect with people who are needing to sell inventory right now. There are some people who have a surplus of inventory, and there are some people who are not able to source inventory right now, and I really just wanted to create kind of a common ground place where you guys could connect. So again, I will put the link in the description box and in the comments. It's just a Facebook group where you can post your mystery boxes for sale. You can post anything, any sort of lots of inventory that you're selling. If you somehow have like wholesale lots that you sell, if you have bulk lots of inventory that you sell, definitely join the Facebook group and you can post your items for sale in there. It doesn't matter if you're selling them like directly or on Poshmark. You can link your Poshmark listings in there. I just really wanted to create a place because I was getting a lot of messages from people, both people who had inventory that they wanted to sell to those who need it, and people who need inventory right now, who are basically not able to source due to the current situation. Thrift stores are closed. A lot of people having a hard time getting inventory right now who really need it. So if you are either of those people, wanting to buy or wanting to sell, definitely join the group down below. I will also link my main Poshmark reselling group down below. It's called Poshboss HQ. If you are not a member of that, that will be linked down below for you as well. Before we get started on the video, definitely let me know down in the comments, what is something that you have recently sold that you kind of didn't expect to sell, or you know, maybe something that you are noticing is selling a lot right now. Anything that could potentially help someone else, leave it down in the comments. Even if you're, you know, thinking outside the box of things to list or something like that, definitely leave them in the comments below. That way everybody can kind of learn from each other. Okay, so let's get into this video. I have several things here that I want to show you guys. Just a disclaimer, I've not been thrifting in at least probably going on 3 weeks now. I did not feel comfortable going to the thrift store given the current situation. Our thrift stores, our Goodwills, did not actually close until a couple days ago, but I just stopped going when things started to kind of get out of hand with the news, and at the grocery stores I really stopped going anywhere. So these are all things that I had before that happened, and not really sure when we're going to be able to thrift again, but I have thankfully enough stuff to keep my haul videos going for a while. So I wanted to share some things with you guys in hopes of maybe encouraging you and showing you kind of what you need to be listing right now. So let's go into the video. First thing I want to show you are these are nursing clogs. So these are what a lot of nurses wear, doctors wear them. These particular ones are Dansko's. These retail for anywhere from $125 to $200. So very expensive nursing shoes, this particular brand. However, at this point in time, it probably doesn't matter what brand you're listing. There are a lot of nurses working right now, a lot of healthcare workers working right now who need shoes, and I'm sure they would be completely grateful to get them used and at a great discount when they normally retail for over $100. Also, if you were in a position to where you could maybe donate some shoes to a nurse that you know, I'm sure they would greatly appreciate you. Really anything that you could donate to the healthcare workers at this time, they would greatly appreciate you. But if you have any of these, definitely get them listed. I'm sure people will be shopping for them. Next is jeans. Jeans are just going to be one of those things that are going to sell anytime. Doesn't matter what time of year it is, doesn't matter what's going on. People wear jeans all day, every day, and they will buy them. These particular ones are Adriano Goldschmied. That will focus. There we go. These particular ones are men's. As you can see, they are made in the USA. That's what the tab looks like on them. These particular ones are the Protege straight leg style, size 36. Just basic men's jeans. Lots of people need stuff. Lots of people have to go to work still. Grocery workers, healthcare workers, truck drivers. People need clothes, guys. People still need clothes. They will still be buying clothes. So you still need to be listing clothes. Jeans are a great item to list, and I'm sure it's something everyone has in their house, whether it's from your personal closet or from your pile. Next, t-shirts. This particular one is a Space Jam shirt. It is not vintage, it is a replica, but still a really cool shirt that I wanted to pick up from Goodwill. Great graphic. Any sort of t-shirt you have with great graphics. I'm sure people have t-shirts all over their house. Like if you want to start sourcing from your closets, definitely get your t-shirts listed. We're going into spring, summer. People love a good graphic t-shirt. Next, I have this men's Mountain Hardwear. This is kind of like a fleece shirt. I know it's going into summer, but I did recently sell a North Face fleece and it sold pretty quickly. So I'm still listing outerwear stuff. People live in all parts of the country. People live up in the mountains where it gets cooler at night. You just never know why people want to buy stuff like this. So definitely don't hesitate on listing stuff because you think it's out of season, especially if it's a great brand. Like this Mountain Hardwear brand is an amazing brand to pick up. It's a very popular outerwear brand. People absolutely love it. So definitely get anything you have listed. Since sourcing is limited right now, you just kind of need to be listing what you have. Next, this is an Adidas sports bra that I picked up. Anything athletic wear does really well. This is the back of it. It is a size 2X Climalite Adidas. Pretty basic, but people wear these like these. This is a really popular style. People like to wear these kind of like as athleisure. So anything you have, gym, comfy clothes, workout clothes, people are still working out, so get them listed and they will sell. Next is this really gorgeous Lululemon top that I found. I love the pattern on this. I love the cut of it. I love the floral print. It's really pretty for spring. It's got the Lululemon logo on the back. It has like a built-in sports bra. Also, a little tip, if you cannot find the size on a Lululemon top, so this is the top right here. If you go into here where you can remove the bra pads from it, the size is usually printed in there. So this is a size 4. You can see this one still has the padding in it. Sometimes they won't, but I don't not get them because they don't have padding in them. The tag has been ripped out of this one, so that's why I wanted to show you guys where to find the size. Always look for a size dot on Lululemon items. It's usually in there somewhere. If it's not, it's probably an older item. If it doesn't have a size dot, it's not automatically fake. It just might be an older piece. This is a really pretty spring dress from Torrid. Gorgeous color, gorgeous bright color. I'm still going to be listing dresses, normal clothes. I feel like people are still going to be buying normal. This is the tag for Torrid. Torrid is a plus size clothing store. It's kind of a mall brand, but it's a very expensive mall brand. If you look at their retail prices, like this is a $60 dress. It's new with tags. So $58.90, almost 60 bucks for a dress. Very, very popular brand. They have good quality, really cute, trendy pieces. Again, going with the comfy clothes, this is a vintage Nike sweatshirt that I picked up. It's from Harvard, obviously. It's Nike team apparel. But I love finding vintage pieces like this. Like, I love this. People want comfy clothes. A lot of people are hanging out at their house. They still want to be fashionable, cute, trendy, and the vintage Nike stuff usually does well. Next, a little bit out of the box, but this is a My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. Picked this up a while ago, kind of forgot that I got it, but a lot of people are going to be shopping online for makeup and cosmetics. You can list makeup on Poshmark as long as it has never been used, it's sealed, it's in the box, whatever it is, just make sure it's sealed, and make sure that you show photos that it is sealed and it's in its original packaging. So if you have anything like this, makeup samples, people can't or don't want to go into the stores to buy them right now, they're going to be shopping online for them. So definitely get them listed. Next, these are some Levi's shorts that I actually made from a pair of men's Levi's jeans. These particular ones were 527s. But if you're stuck in your house and you need something to do, start looking around for pieces that you can upcycle. Like, I completely cut off a pair of jeans and made these shorts. People love them, cutoffs, like pockets hanging out. I distressed them myself. So if you are a crafty person and you are looking for some new types of items to sell, definitely start playing around with stuff and see what you can make to sell. Again, more athletic wear. These are a pair of Under Armour leggings. They were from one of the Tough Mudder races. People love these like race attire 5Ks. I don't really understand the 5Ks, but if you run 5Ks, that's awesome for you. I wish I could run 5Ks. I just wouldn't even know where to start. So, but I definitely picked these up. People collect things like this. The t-shirts usually sell pretty quickly as well. And they are Under Armour, so they can be listed as a brand. Next, if you have any craft supplies, these are some stamps that I picked up that I will probably list individually. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and then several in this little pack here that I picked up. I only paid like $2 for them. So if you have anything like this, people that have craft supplies usually have a lot of them. Obviously, if you're listing them individually, it's not going to be a ton of profit per stamp, but a lot of times you will get people who will want to bundle things like this. So that would be, you know, a great way to kind of have some stuff in your closet that people could add on to purchases. A lot of people love stamps, scrapbook stuff, anything like that, stationery, anything, and these all go under the home market on Poshmark. Next, this is a Peter Millar golf shirt, really pretty color for spring. This is the tag. There we go. It does have some embroidery, but it was just like a little palmetto tree on it. But anything like this, golf shirts, people are still going outside, people are still golfing. I live near Myrtle Beach, which is a huge golf destination. They have closed the golf courses to tourists right now, but they are open for residents. So people are definitely going out, trying to get outside, trying to get out of their houses. They will be shopping for golf stuff. Okay guys, that is my video for the day. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next